Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add admin on Facebook page easy and quickly. Okay, so first thing, go to your page, click here and go to settings from here, or you can go back and scroll down from here and click on settings here. Okay, so after you go to settings, scroll down and go to page setup, this one. Okay, and right now choose page access. Okay, so click on page access and here you can see the admins of your page. Okay, so if you want to add another admin, so click on add new here and click next, and here type the username of your or of the admin that you want to put. For example, I will put any username, just for example, but you need to put the right username, okay, or the right profile name. Just click, for example, on that, and give him the access for ads or content or community activity and messages and calls. Okay, so just for example, check on all the things and click on give access and put your profile password. So after that, the admin that you want to put, he will receive invitation, so he need to accept the invitation to be admin on your Facebook page. So after that, everything will be good, and by doing that, you learn how to add admin on Facebook page quickly and easy. So if you like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe my channel and like. Thank you so much.